Hey guys, it's Greg again. Follow me to check out a coin here. I'm gonna look at it real quick, and it's called Electroneum. And I'm gonna give you my opinion on everything that's going on with this coin, in my opinion. Here's the coin gecko information in the chart. It's not looking too good, just out right there with that. I'm not liking the price, really. I'm not liking the name either. That sounds like something on the periodic table of elements, in my opinion. Just weird name to me. That's just my opinion. Twitter area. Let's go to the Twitter page, Electroneum. It's looking very mainstream to me, just looking at that picture or something like that. But that's just my opinion. Lots of followers. The vibe that I get from just perusing this, it seems like it's more of a outside the United States type of thing. I'm within the United States to let you guys know. So it seems like it might be a little bit more popular in other areas of the world for some reason. This, just going over this website, it gives me a very, what's the word? Government? Something to do with the government, maybe? It's just weird, like a government feel to it. They do have they're on Dun and Bradstreet, so they're like probably a legitimate, actual, real business and everything. And I'm not impressed with this at all. I'm just not, guys. I don't know what the deal is, and I don't know. It seems like it's like a cryptocurrency PayPal or something they're trying to come up with. But let's just go to the technicals and see what the technicals are telling us. And the technicals are definitely telling a story here. And the story isn't good. I'll tell you that right now. If you want to do something in this long term, I would probably at this point be careful. You can see this overall structure here. I look at this. You can see this is an impulse move down. So it came out and it started going down. I don't know what the markets were like. I have to go back and check, but I think it was probably negative there. But you can see this is a 5-wave impulse down. You take a look at the divergence there. So that's a 5-wave down, zoomed up on this, and then it just slowly went down, and actually from the bottom right there. So this likely is an ABC move that it did. So a corrective move from here. A, B, and then down for a Z. So this right here, guys, that's an actual bottom. That's what you want to see on a lot of assets. You have that zoom down. I'll show you. I'll open up that RSI for you. You see how that just zoomed down and zoomed out of there? That's a good bottom. If you're a trader, you could trade this. I would not go long, hold this for any length of time. Not right now. It doesn't have a good structure. I'll show you some examples to compare it to. But it zoomed down on this. Some people might think this is impulsive. It's 5-wave. That's a 5-wave, but it's a corrective move up. So it zoomed up on an A, B, C. So 3-wave move. And then over here, you can see there's your divergence. So from that point to that point, so there's a impulse, probably zoomed up on a B leg here. So like a 3-wave move. And then this is your, looks like your impulse move, and it's forming a 5 right now. So probably over here is what it's doing. Something like this, guys. 1, 2, 3. No, I take that back. It's forming the 5 likely. So it's like this. Let me put my waves on. So 4, and then down for a 5. So I'm going to take that off and to show you that's a ABC move right here like this. Okay. So you have a 3, up for a 3 and down for a 3. So this whole move is likely just going to be one big W, X, and a Y. Now, if traders are going in, probably trading this, but this is not something I would be looking at to go long term on. There's a lot of things I don't like about it. Just looking at it, the 15 or 20 minutes. One, I don't like to look at the website. It seems like somehow it's like trying to be government related. Not to say that it is, but it just seems like that. The name of it is just goofy. I don't know why they have that name of it. It's a goofy name. It sounds like it's on the periodic table elements. Who the heck's going to say Electroneum? Who's going to say that? ETN maybe or something, but it's just weird to me. Bad marketing, bad vibe all around with this coin. I don't like the chart. It's corrective waves. And the only thing that I see right now is more downside in sight. Can it pump when the other markets pump? Yes, obviously you can get a pump out of this, but you're going to have to know your divergences a lot better, how to trade it, where it hits bottoms and stuff like that. It's going to take a lot more skill. Just to show you an example, here's Electroneum's chart. It's a WXY. The people have spoken that they don't really like this asset. Okay, that's what that's telling me. The general cryptoverse has said this is no good. Now, on the contrary, let's take a look at Solana's chart. Now you see this chart. Let me clean that up a little bit for you. You see Solana's chart, a nice 5-wave impulse up. That means people like this coin, and now it's coming in for a correction. And more than likely, it's going to go up and do that. With Electroneum right here, it's likely not going to do that, unless they may do some changes or something to fix it and then start getting where it attracts attention and can start doing, a nice move out of there. Okay. Like Solana, you want to see that off the bottom on a coin like this. Now, I could be wrong, and I've been wrong before. So don't take offense if you're like all big into this coin and you think something's going to happen with it. It could do another whiz down here, do a nice correction, and finish that off, and then go into another ABC and make a move like this. This went up. That's almost a 20x. So the probability is there, but I'm going to lower my risk and not go into an asset on a long trade in something like this. I would rather be over in something I know that has, what I know that it's going to go into. Right here, it doesn't look like the future doesn't look bright for this coin anytime soon. So I just think they have a lot of changes they need to make. I don't know the guy who's behind it, if he's versed in cryptocurrency. It sounds like he's been around for a while and, had this history explained to him, but the guy needs some help somewhere along the line to fix this, in my opinion. Thanks for watching. Peace.